Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a beauty essential that's quickly becoming a favorite in the world of wigs. The Lemoda 30-inch 13x6 Skinlike HD lace wig. Whether you're a seasoned wig wearer or just exploring the world of lace fronts, I'm here to give you an honest expert review on this piece so you can decide if it's worth adding to your collection. Now, let's take a look at what this wig brings to the table. The first thing you'll notice is its HD lace, which is designed to mimic skin, making your hairline appear almost invisible. HD lace is known for being ultra-thin and delicate, yet surprisingly durable. It blends seamlessly with the scalp and allows your natural scalp color to shine through, creating an ultra-realistic look that's perfect for those who want to achieve a flawless, natural hairline. One of the standout features of this wig is its 13x6 lace, which gives you a larger area to work with compared to typical lace front wigs. This added space makes it easier to style and customize, especially if you love to experiment with different parting styles. Whether you're aiming for a sleek side part or a deep middle part, this wide lace gives you plenty of room to play with. When it comes to the hair itself, Lemoda doesn't disappoint. This wig is crafted from 12A virgin Brazilian human hair, which is untreated and retains its natural quality and elasticity. The hair cuticles are intact, meaning the hair will last longer without tangling or shedding. This isn't just hair that looks good on day one. With proper care, it should last you 1 to 2 years. Now let's talk about my personal experience wearing this wig. The first thing I noticed when I put it on was how comfortable it felt. The lace is breathable, which helps keep your scalp cool and comfortable, especially during long wear. The wig itself has 180% density, giving it that thick, voluminous look that so many people crave. It feels incredibly natural, and the hair flows beautifully. As for the fit, the full 13x6 lace cap gives a great adjustable fit. Whether you have a smaller or larger head, the wig should feel snug without being too tight. And while it is a larger lace area, it's still lightweight and doesn't feel heavy on the scalp. However, because the lace is thin, you'll want to be careful when handling it, as it can be a bit delicate. In terms of styling, this wig held up well during my testing. The hair straightened easily, and I was able to maintain a sleek look throughout the day. I also loved how the hair didn't tangle or shed excessively, even after brushing it through several times. The invisible knots were another win. The pre-plucked hairline gave it a really natural finish, even when I looked closely. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: invisible HD lace. The lace blends perfectly with your scalp, creating a flawless hairline. Comfortable fit. The breathable lace ensures that your scalp stays cool even during long wear. Natural look. The virgin Brazilian human hair gives off a rich, shiny, and natural appearance. Longevity. With proper care, the hair can last 1 to 2 years, making it a great investment. Cons: delicate lace. While it's breathable, the lace is thin, so you need to handle it carefully to avoid damage. Density might be too much for some. With 180% density, it can feel a little heavy for those who prefer lighter wigs. Price point. Depending on your budget, this could be on the pricier side, especially for those who are just starting out with lace wigs. When it comes to value for money, it's a bit of a balancing act. On one hand, the quality of the materials, especially the virgin Brazilian hair, is high-end. If you're someone who wears wigs regularly or wants something that will last, this is a solid choice. However, if you're just dipping your toes into the world of wigs, the price might be a bit of a stretch. In that case, there are definitely more affordable options that still offer decent quality, though they won't have the same luxury feel. Comparing this wig to others on the market, especially those at a similar price range, the Lemoda 13x6 HD lace wig holds its ground. Many wigs in this price bracket don't offer the same natural finish or breathable lace that this one does. The combination of HD lace and virgin human hair at this price is a notable strength. As for build quality, the wig is very sturdy, and the materials used, from the lace to the hair itself, feel premium. You're getting what you pay for here. And with the right care, you'll find that this wig is durable enough to handle repeated use. If you've ever interacted with Lemoda's customer service, you'll know that they're highly responsive. I didn't need to contact them during my testing, but based on their reputation, they offer solid support if you have any questions or concerns. Plus, the fact that the wigs ship from a US warehouse means quicker delivery times, which is always a bonus. Now, if you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are options out there that can give you similar results without breaking the bank. Brands like Alley Pearl or Unice offer comparable lace front wigs with similar features, though they may not have the exact same HD lace or virgin hair quality. It's all about finding the right balance for your needs and budget. To wrap things up, the Lemoda 30-inch 13/6 Skinlike HD lace wig offers a natural-looking, comfortable experience with high-quality materials. While it's on the pricier side, it's a great investment for anyone looking for a long-lasting, realistic wig. I'd recommend this to those who wear wigs regularly and are looking for something that combines luxury with durability. If this review has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss another honest review from Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best in beauty. And if you've tried this wig, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.